In this video, I will demonstrate some other minor features of my voice-based web browser software. Again, I will be following the user guide as I did in the previous videos. Closing the window, go to File, Close, or press Ctrl W or press Alt F4. I am not going to demonstrate this because this is common to all softwares. Opening sound settings, go to Edit Preferences, click on Open Sound Settings. In the sound settings window, you can adjust different settings related to sound. For example, you can change the output, you can change output volume, you can change input volume, you can change input level, you can check input level, you can change sound effects, and you can also change many other application related options. I am going to close this window now. Opening Help, go to Help Contents or press F1. This is the help page of my voice-based web browser software. I am going to read what is written here. This is voice-based web browser help page. Here you will find the links to all help topics. There are two sections, Preferences and User Guide. I am going to show the Preferences section first. Preferences. This is the preferences page. The performance of this app depends on the quality of the microphone, speaker, sound settings of the computer, and clarity of pronunciation. Clicking on the About button will show you my name because this software is created by me. I am going back to the contents now. Now I will click on the User Guide section. This tells the user to read user guide of voice-based web browser, which is ug_vbwb.pdf, in order to learn how to use the voice-based web browser. I will close the help window now. Getting help online. Go to Help, Get Help Online. Clicking on this option will take you to my YouTube channel, where you will see different videos using which you will be able to learn about how to use this software. About voice-based web browser. Go to Help About. This window will tell you about voice-based web browser. As you can see, voice-based web browser 0.1. This is an IBM TGMC 2012 project, and you will also be able to see the copyright information, credits, and license. Inside ug_vbwb.pdf, that is the user guide, you will find links to pages in social networking sites which are created for this software. So these were the other minor features of voice-based web browser which I was talking about. Thanks for watching.